everybody, welcome to Shop Talk. I'm Keith, and I'm here today with my best friend Bob.
I'm Bob, and I'm here today with my best friend Keith.
I said you were Bob. You didn't hear me, did you? Okay, but anyway, we wanted to talk about ball screws.
I have a functioning ball screw.
Yeah, why don't you tell us what's this about? Why is it important?
Well, a ball screw is really a fancy lead screw. It allows you to have linear motion. But what happens is you have a whole bunch, a gazillion. But there's a lot. I don't know how many there are really, but they actually are in a row, and they circulate.
What are in a row?
The balls.
Okay.
They're not ducks. They're not ducks in a row. They're balls in a row.
Okay.
And they actually roll around a special form thread that's in the shape of a half a ball.
Okay.
Right? And they're preloaded, which means they're pressed tight up against it so that you don't have any backlash. Now, once the ball travels all the way down the nut, it has another channel where it recirculates back up to the top, and it starts it again. So as it rotates around, you have rolling friction, which means you have very little friction, right? And on top of that, because it's preloaded, you have very little, if any, backlash. So it is a really cool device. It's fairly slow, but it's great for like a Z drive.
Okay.
Or on a machine where your cutting speeds aren't that fast. It would be great for your X
now,
and
we
Y
have introduced these on the KL series.
Yeah, the KL7s. This is the Z-axis motion. However, yours is not functional. You want to talk about that?
Yeah, thank you for yes, I do, because this should serve as a warning, guys. When you get your KL, the ball screw is going to come all packaged, and you're going to have the shaft, and you're going to have the nut and all the ball bearings packaged. You're also going to have dust shields in the top and the bottom. You'll notice there's
all those little balls will be in there, and there's a whole bunch on the floor too.
Well, there are now.
Yes.
But there weren't.
No, they were inside the housing.
Yeah, well, when we first got these things, before I even started playing with mine, you had the terrible experience of taking one apart because you like seeing how things work.
Yeah.
And when you took it apart, you told me, don't ever take it apart because the ball bearings come out.
Yeah, you'll lose your marbles.
Well, maybe that's what happened to me, Bob. But in any case, because I really take Bob seriously, I immediately took a ball screw and took it apart.
They're fun to play with.
Well, until you wreck them.
Yeah, then
because
it's not so much
they're
fun
like
anymore,
$20 or whatever, and it's not like I got money to throw away, but apparently I did. So when if you happen to buy the KL series, you're going to love the way the ball screw controls the Z-axis.
Absolutely.
But please resist the experience, the desire to experiment like me.
Right. Even holding it up like this, if it starts rotating, it will continue to rotate sometimes. So you just really want to be careful and make sure that until it's assembled and has both ends on it, that you just don't let that nut come off.
Please don't do this at home.
Ooh, that sounds like a stern warning.
Well, I don't want to be too stern. But anyway, till next time, guys, we'll see ya.